Alright guys, so what you see behind me is a concept phone from Motorola here at the Lenovo booth at MWC Barcelona. It's a very unique innovation. A lot of people want to get their hands on it. Apparently it's behind the display so we can't get there, but giving you a quick look of what the phone is all about. Also giving you a look at the concept laptop that Lenovo has showcased here at MWC. It's a transparent laptop with a display that you can see through. I don't know how that affects privacy, but yes, it's a concept device that they're showcasing here. And also a couple of more foldables here at MWC Barcelona. So we are here at the Lenovo booth checking out the new concept device, the Motorola Bendable concept phone that you can see here. Apparently, there's a lot of buzz around this smartphone. A lot of people are talking about it, and the showcase in itself was so crowded that I wasn't able to get hands on my device. They in fact sealed it behind a glass, but we are able to show you what it looks like. The rear of the phone kind of looks pretty evident that it has been designed for comfort. If you put it on your wrist, you can easily wrap it around your wrist and take it home, but otherwise it's very difficult to put something like this on your wrist, because not only is it is heavy, but also because of the fact that it might be a bit disconcerting on your wrist. Now this comes with a 6.9-inch display and not a lot of details around what the phone offers, but yes, it is giving you a pure Android experience. That's something that Moto phones already offer. So you're getting an Android phone's utility in a very unique form factor, I would say, here at MWC Barcelona. Now there were a lot of people who wanted to get their hands on the phone, but again the people here at the display counter, they were thronging the Lenovo arena trying to get their hands on one, but again we weren't allowed to take the phone into our wrists, but I am showing you what it offers. Now this kind of concept phones were talked about last year as well. There have been a lot of experimentations happening around bendable technology, but this is something that of a concept that we are showcasing to you on Fiiber. But again, you can let us know what do you think about a concept like this, because a lot of smartphone companies have been experimenting with foldable technology, Samsung, OnePlus, Oppo being some of them. But when it comes to rollable tech, there is still a lot of gray area whether something like this is really offering utility to users, because the idea could be to replace smartwatches. Now smartwatches offer a lot of utility, but in terms of a bendable phone on your wrist, does it really make any sense? Would you like to have something like this on your wrist? Is something we cannot really know. But again, if by popular choice something like this comes into the market, I'm sure Moto would definitely get this phone to you. Again, reiterating, this is a concept device. A lot of conversation happening around bendable technology and Moto getting this one here at MWC in Barcelona. But again, you can let us know in the comment section what do you think about this phone, whether something like this should come into the market, and what kind of changes or alterations you as a consumer would want companies to make in these smartphones. But again, only time will tell whether this technology really makes it to India or the international market. That's it from Moto's arena here at MWC in Barcelona. I'll get you more tech updates right here on Fiiber.